What do you do, Aid? You don't work? Another retiree or just fucking lazy? What? You got cancer? Oh, thanks for fucking ruining the show, Aid. Fucking hell, mate. We're all here for a fucking laugh, you selfish prick. Let's just fucking make everyone think about AIDS cancer. I've got 2 weeks to live, oh sound. We've only just got out the fucking house, Aid. You're one selfish prick, you know. Honest to fucking, I can't believe you've done that. Do you know how long I've waited for this? This is my night, it's not about you. We've all read your fucking statuses on Facebook, Aid. It's come back, it's malignant. Shut up, Aid, you fucking knobhead. Fucking get over yourself. Just fuck off. I am so sorry. Hey, the show's over. I don't know how to speak to people anymore.